We're going to do a brief video on Nikola Stock Analysis. We've got a daily chart here with a 5-day moving average in green, a 20-day moving average in red, and a 200-day moving average in blue. Let's go back here and take a look at this stock. As you can see, it's a very active stock along the 200-day moving average. This stock broke down really right here in September of 20th. When the 200-day, September 2020, when the 200-day was still rising, and entered into a bear market and made a stab at getting out of it right here in November. Couldn't do it, fell back below the 200-day, and it's been essentially below the 200-day moving average for the stock ever since. As you spread it out, you can see this stock has gone from, at this point where the 200 was about $30, down to $9, and then back up to roughly $20, and we're currently all the way down here making lows today, the 21st of September 2022, at $4.10. Now, this stock is obviously in the penny stock range, but it does trade kind of like a regular stock. You can see it's had tremendous respect for the 200-day moving average, trying many times to get above it. It crashes down, goes sideways, rallies into it, goes sideways, tries to get into it, rallies sideways, get into it. Same thing, very little drift down, more sideways, then down a little bit, then back up into it. So it's desperately trying to get out of that. We have today, this stock's down 7% on shares, 14 million shares. Average daily volume of this stock's 11 million shares. So there's a ton of interest in this stock. From a technical analysis perspective, it's very hard to say what's going to happen with this stock. But just from historical perspective, my guess is this stock is going to make it's making new lows now. It's probably going to go down a little bit lower. I'm not going to put a target on it because it's really difficult to say. I don't want to be negative on a stock that I find extremely difficult to give you a feeling on. But once it hits its bottom, if that makes any sense, I think the stock will rally right back up and make another stab at the 200-day. Now, that assumes there's not something fundamental going on in this stock. I don't know anything about the fundamentals. I don't follow them on this stock. But in general, this stock should follow its pattern. Now, it's getting very far away from the 200-day moving average, especially down here after being in a bear market for so long. So 200-day moving average is about $7.35. Price today, again, is about $4.10 on a low. So you could see a rally easy in this stock up to the $6 range if we can get some support. We need to get this price just exactly like this. We need to get the 5-day turned up and the 20-day flat and then up, and you can get a decent rally all the way up to $6 in this stock without a whole lot of effort. I'm not predicting that. This is all for entertainment purposes only, and it's all my opinion, but that could easily happen in this stock in the near term. How near? Probably 3 weeks or so for a target of $6 to get to $6 if it happens. And again, this is all just speculation, but in my opinion, but you could easily do that with this stock because of the volume and because of the previous interest in it rallying and testing the 200-day. Again, I'm not predicting anything. It's all for entertainment purposes only. That's what I've got for you on this stock today. We do not cover this stock. RBM Research does not cover this stock, but we do cover 190 plus stocks every morning before 7 a.m. These are the current stocks for today, 1, 5, and 20-day holding periods. We also cover a lot of other things at rbmresearch.com, including all of the major forex pairs, the major 7 forex pairs, the BTC cryptos, and the most liquid futures, in addition to the stocks. Everything but the stocks are longs or shorts. The stocks are longs only. There's a link in the description below if you want to see what we do algorithmically at rbmresearch.com. It's absolutely free, no credit card required. And you can just follow the link over there and sign up with your email. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that as well. We'd love to hear comments from you in the comments section about our moving average analysis. We didn't do a great one for you on this one, but we put out a lot of videos, and we'd love to hear what you think about moving averages, pro or con. Keep in mind, everything you've seen or heard on here is for entertainment purposes only, especially our commentary and our entry prices, and you can't use them for anything other than entertainment. You should always do your own analysis, and you definitely trade at your own risk.